Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury featured in Argent Silver Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, a Bose speaker system, automatic emergency braking, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. Power lock and unlock, powered windows and mirrors, cup holder down below, and the liftgate controls. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left we have our cruise control, to the right is the audio controls. Down to the bottom left we have our heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and forward collision alert. We can turn the vehicle on and take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect your phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here we have the backup camera. Below that is the climate control with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, some extra storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, and here's the center console. We have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up at the top is the rear view mirror. Above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, place to hold your sunglasses, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, here we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we got to do is double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for visibility. We can drop these rear seats down using the manual controls on the side to get a ton of extra storage space. We also have some hidden storage below that houses the spare tire jack and some extra space. And we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear vents, and down at the bottom 2 USBs. Handle paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. And here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.